Hey guys, what you see here is a 1988 Hunter original ceiling fan. I got this fan today from my dad's friend for free. The story behind this fan is that he was renovating an apartment, and this fan was in that apartment, and he took it down, replacing it with a new fan. And he's like, "Hey, I know Colin likes fans, so I have a pretty heavy old fan here." And he's like, and my dad texted me saying, "Hey, my dad's friend, I'm not gonna say his name here, he has a fan, and I think it's one of those originals he likes, and so he knows what originals are, um, and I went up there about maybe 4 hours ago, and I picked it up for free. Now, a few things on this fan are not original. The down rod is obviously not, and the light kit is not original. When I got this fan, it did not come with a switch cap, and it came with a really long down rod, so I took both those off. So here we are. Here, I'll screw in this light bulb and show you the tag right there. It says 88 for 1988. Here's a close-up of the housing. Beautiful, beautiful fan. I love this thing a lot. Blade irons. I believe the blades are paper veneer. Has the little oil here, sticker. Canopy, something like that. And then there's the tag up here. It's a 1.1 amp model. Here are the model numbers. Type C. So yeah, here's the light. Here's the first setting. Second setting. And all four. I love this thing with the light. It looks so great. I love it. Alright, let's turn the light off. And just put it on low. Has a bit of a hum. I think it's because of the light kit. So I only have one other original that's 52 inches, may I add. It is white and is a 2.5 amp model. So the history of the original is in the 70s, it was 1.9 amp until about 1977, I think. And they went to 2.5 amp, which is the Robbins and Myers, like the only really Robbins and Myers style family. You like that. It's the most common style of the Robbins and Myers original is the 2.5 amp original, and then in 1984 they switched to 1.1 amp, and briefly they were in 1985 they switched to 1.1 amp, and Robbins and Myers, briefly after they made the 1.1 amp, Robbins and Myers made a few 1.1 amps originals, but then briefly after, Robbins and Myers sold off Hunter. I don't know who, but they no longer say Robbins and Myers on the fans post in 1985, and they made the 1.1 amps. So about sometime in the early to mid 90s, they brought out the 2.0 amp, which a lot of people claim that is the best original ever made, is the 2.0 amp originals. I have yet to reckon with one, so I can't say if they are or not. Yeah. So here, I'll turn the light on for you. Then you can just see what it looks like while it's running. Alright, give it about maybe 20 more seconds. Alright. Give about 5 seconds. Alright, let's switch it to medium. And this fan has a capacitor inside the switch housing. I think one of the glass things is vibrating. So you can kind of hear a noise. It's going faster in person than it does look on camera. It doesn't look it's going that fast, but in person it's going decently fast. I'm sitting about maybe 4 or 5 feet away from it. I am feeling a decent breeze. Here's that one. Alright, I'll fix that. Now it's humming. Yeah. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna fix this thing after the video. Let's give about 30 seconds. I'll give it like 20 seconds and I'll turn the light on. Alright, here's the light on. I'm not sure what to say really. It's a decent. It's he's a little fast. But whatever. It's an original. I'm not gonna complain. Give about a few more seconds. Let's crank it up to high speed. Very powerful fan, I will say. It's a very, very good air mover. High speed we're probably doing about maybe 230 RPM, 220. Very, very good performer. Like, this thing is kicking out air. I did put some oil on it earlier. Maybe a little dry, I'm not sure. Did about half a can of or half a tube of Hunter fan oil. Alright, give me 10 more seconds. I'll turn the light on for you guys. Alright, let's turn on the light. Airflow noise. Give it maybe 20 more seconds. Alright, let's shut it off. I'm not gonna do spin down, so thanks for watching. I'll show it off one more time. Gotta go, so I gotta do this quick. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see y'all later. Goodbye.